All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2016 Ford Focus. It is the SE Sedan with alloy wheels, premium sound system, steering controls, backup camera, black on black, only 38,000 miles, super nice, and best of all, minimum damage around the body. Your front bumper looks pretty good. Does seem to have some scuffing here, about 3, 6, about 9 inches right here from here to here. The rest of it looks pretty good. Your hood looks pretty decent. Your front fender here looks pretty good. Here's your front driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing. Your tire tread is, my hand here, is under 430 seconds. Let me double check. Yep, just under 430 seconds. This door looks good. This rear door looks good, actually. Seem to have a little chips, a little heavy scratch here. Been touched up about 3 to 4 inches. This rear door looks pretty good. This quarter looks pretty nice. Here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing. And your tire tread here is under 430 seconds. Here's a nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. Got some light scratches. That up here, up north, we call these from the shovel. We'll put a shovel here to get the snow off. Got your power windows, power door lights, your power mirrors, your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Let me jump into this vehicle. Turn it on for you guys. Does come with 1 key fob combo and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Obviously, your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff. That's working. Turn on the lights here. Got your backup camera. Boom. Got your AC controls right down below. Steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. See no lights on or any issues. And there's your mileage of 38,414. Pretty much completes the tour. Open up the trunk. Your rear passenger seat, what that looks like, no tears, no rips, seems to be a little dirty, needs to be cleaned. Coming around, rear bumper has a chip right there. That's about it. The rear trunk space and what that looks like, pretty big and spacious. There is a spare tire here with some tools, and I did tuck away your owner's manuals right there. Your lift gate, yeah, it looks good. Your trunk looks good. Your quarter here looks pretty good. Here's your rear passenger rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing to this. Your tire tread under 430 seconds. This door looks pretty good. Here's the other side of the rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips to that. Front door has a little, no, I thought it was a dent. Got some heavy scratching down here at the bottom, say 10 or more. Here's your front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips to that. Front fender looks pretty good. Here's your front passenger rim. Very nice. Does have some curbing here. 3, 6, about 3 to 5 inches right there. Tire tread is under 430 seconds. We have a light scuffing here. See 3, 6, about 9 inches from here to here. That's pretty much it. Lights are working. Car is running. Things are good. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, a 2016 Ford Focus SE model with 38,000 miles. If you have any questions, concerns, please don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.